Hey guys, got a video today of doing a little renting in the shop since it's been raining so much outside. Can't really get any bashing in. So today I'm working on a common problem. I already snapped it back together, but the U-joint on my son's Rustler, they got to feature these nice plastic drive shafts. As you can see, this one is shiny, no rust on it, brand new, and it already popped out. You know, this U-joint opens up and those little pins will slide right out of there. You kind of see a little groove on the other side. So what I did was just take a pair of needle nose pliers, kind of squeeze it back in there. And now what I've done in the past with my Armor Granite, which also has plastic drive shafts, is I'll take a pair of needle nose and just squeeze it. You can see the pin, you know, the difference from when before I squeezed to after. You get a lot more, and it's a little tight to turn like that, but once you let go of it, it goes right back. So as you kind of see it just springing in and out. I apologize for the camera zooming, focusing. But anyway, what I've done in the past is I squeezed it and then just take a lighter, or if you have a heat gun, you can do that. Just be careful not to burn yourself, and heat the plastic up. And once you get it hot, keep it squeezed the whole time. What will happen is that plastic will kind of hold its shape, squeezed in some. Alright, just give it a while, keep it squeezed in for a while it's still good and hot. That way, you know, give it time to cool off. Maybe you got a little fan or something like that, blow on it. Just give it some time to cool down. Make sure you still got a little play, and then when you let go, it'll go back out some, but it's not going to squeeze out quite as much as before. And I've done it on my Granite, and it was on the right side drive shaft that popped out, and that one's still holding up. My left side popped out maybe a few weeks later from a different crash, but you know, the right side's still holding up, so I just did it again. They seem to be holding up pretty good. I haven't had to buy any new drive shafts for the Granite yet, but I had an extra one I was playing around for my son's Rustler, so I just went ahead and put this one on there. So that's all I got for today. I'll just put it back together and see if it'll hold up. You know, if the Traxxas will hold up as long as the Granite has with this repair. Alright guys, if you like this, hit the thumbs up, leave a like, make some comments, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.